Alright, a new studio tour. Did some updates and decorating. We're going to kind of just come in first and shut the door. And we're going to start over here in the first corner, behind the first door. This is the first station. I have two double backdrops that flip, one white, one black, one portrait blue, one portrait tan. Just added a few new pictures up on this wall. Makeup station is still kind of the same area here. Basically, we usually have one chair at a time going, but we have a separate chair just in case we need it. We're going to step back this way and get the view from over here, where you can see the second station back there. It's a portrait gray setup, and that's also where I can change out different backdrops and such on the wall. This is the original sitting area with the original white wall of pictures. Still one of my favorite things. Still have the Pac-Man machine. And that's the back wall. This is where I also just set my lights to keep them. And over in this corner is where I have a lot of my accessories and stuff. And then if we kind of turn from the couch area, you will see my second portrait wall. The TV and more prop stuff in there. I'm going to get a little table and make a coffee station in here. But I gotta wait because I gotta wait for my daughter to move her refrigerator out, which you're gonna see in a second is kind of in the way. But it's okay because she's building her new home. And up there is, of course, the beds in the bunk area for people who want to stay over or stay the weekend. So now we're gonna go back to this corner and do a slow curve this way. And all my clothes and wardrobe, which I just rearranged and hung up some stuff. And over here, I did actually add some more pictures up on the top wall. Across here. And I've had the ones down here. The little clip wall, I actually have to take most of those down and make room for new pictures because I think a lot of those have been put into a book or on the look walls or as a canvas, so I will do that next. And then of course there's my desk area right here with everything that you need. And then back out. All right, that is a updated look at the studio cabin.